Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt tired, stuck, or ready to give up, this video is for you. Sometimes, life feels heavy. You try again and again, and nothing seems to work. But what if I told you that even the smallest step can change everything? Today, I want to share a story that will inspire you to never give up. It was a cold morning when Emma stood on the old bridge outside her town. She looked down at the river and thought about giving up. For months, she had been trying to build her small business, selling handmade candles online. At first, she was full of dreams and energy. But after many failures, late nights, and zero sales, she felt empty. Her friends had stopped asking how her business was going. Her parents gently suggested she look for a real job. And deep inside, Emma started to believe they were right. She kicked a small stone into the water and whispered, "Maybe I'm just not meant to succeed." Then, an old man walked by. He was carrying a heavy bag of groceries, moving slowly across the bridge. He noticed Emma's sad face and said softly, "You look like someone who wants to quit." Emma smiled weakly. "You could say that." The old man put down his bag and looked at the river. "See that bridge you're standing on? I helped build it 40 years ago," he said. "At the time, people told me I was too old, too weak. But I kept laying one stone every day." Emma looked at him, surprised. He continued, "It took us a whole year to finish. But you know what I learned? Every bridge, no matter how long, begins with one step." He picked up his bag, smiled, and walked away. Emma stood there, silent. "One step," she repeated quietly. That night, she went back home and opened her laptop again. She redesigned her website, took new photos, learned marketing from free videos, and started again, slowly but steadily. A few months later, her candles began to sell. First one order, then 3, then dozens. One evening, as she packed another order, she remembered the old man's words, "Every bridge begins with one step." She smiled, lit one of her own candles, and whispered, "I'm still building my bridge." So, what can we learn from Emma? Life will always test you. You will fall, make mistakes, and face doubts. But success isn't about being perfect. It's about never stopping. Take one step today, then another. Keep going, even if it's slow. Because every big change, every dream, every achievement, starts with just one small step. Remember, you have the power to build your own bridge. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new.